Hey, how are you? My name is Jonathan. I am with Rene Munoz Plastering. As you know, every time I drive by one of our projects, I always like to stop by and see how our work is actually performing, how it's holding against the weather and everything. This project was done, I don't know, like 2-3 seasons ago. And take a look to the stucco. Everything is where it's supposed to be. We don't have any bulging, we don't have any cracking, we don't have anything. All of the stucco is in perfect conditions after 2 or 3 seasons. We have expansion joints and everything, and all of the colors and everything is supposed to be what it's supposed to be, okay? Let's go inside. We did the exterior and the interior of these walls. I just want you to see everything around here. And yeah, this is pretty much what we do. We do a stucco remediation. We install a stucco. We do siding repairs, siding installation, stone repairs, stone installation, basement waterproofing, and exterior painting services, okay? So this right here is a stucco over cinder block. Yeah, feel free to log on to our website at www.munozplastering.com or call us to 610-656-2461. Thank you so much. Have a good day. Bye-bye.